This house boasts a modern minimalist design with sleek geometric lines, expansive windows, and abundant natural light. Nestled by the river, it is surrounded by lush greenery, creating a peaceful and luxurious retreat. The combination of glass, wood, and neutral tones enhances its elegance, while the spacious outdoor area offers the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy nature. Step into the living room, where modern minimalism meets cozy elegance. A plush, comfortable sofa invites you to relax, complemented by a sleek coffee table and warm ambient lighting. The floor-to-ceiling windows frame a breathtaking river view, filling the space with natural light. Simple yet stylish decor, including indoor plants and floating shelves, creates a perfect balance of beauty and functionality. Designed for warmth and togetherness, the family room features an open-concept layout with a spacious sofa, a rustic wooden coffee table, and a plush rug that adds coziness. Large windows let in natural light and provide a calming outdoor view. Minimalist shelves and a large TV make this space both modern and inviting, a perfect place for relaxing with loved ones. The dining room is designed for both style and comfort. A long wooden dining table sits at the center, surrounded by cushioned chairs that invite long conversations over meals. Elegant pendant lighting enhances the ambiance, while the panoramic river view from the large windows makes every dining experience special. Natural elements in the decor add warmth and sophistication. The kitchen blends functionality with modern aesthetics. Matte white handleless cabinets provide a sleek look, while natural wood accents add warmth. A marble topped island doubles as a workspace and casual dining spot. Pendant lights and under-cabinet lighting create a bright, inviting space, complemented by large windows that offer a stunning river view. The master bedroom is a peaceful retreat designed for ultimate relaxation. A plush, king-size bed sits against a textured accent wall, creating a sense of luxury. Soft pendant lighting adds warmth, while a cozy seating area by the window offers a perfect spot to enjoy the stunning river view. A seamless built-in wardrobe enhances the sleek and elegant design, making this space both beautiful and functional. Designed with a modern minimalist touch, this bedroom provides a cozy and welcoming space for guests or children. A comfortable bed with a fabric-upholstered headboard ensures a restful sleep, while a small desk and built-in wardrobe maximize functionality. Large windows bring in natural light, and soft, decorative touches like floating shelves and indoor plants add charm to the room. A true sanctuary of relaxation, the master bathroom features a freestanding bathtub, a frameless glass shower, and a marble-topped vanity. Hidden lighting enhances the spa-like atmosphere, while natural stone walls add a luxurious touch. Large windows allow soft, natural light to fill the space, creating a tranquil retreat within the home. The guest bathroom combines elegance with simplicity. A floating marble vanity, a frameless glass shower, and an illuminated mirror create a modern and sophisticated look. The walls and floors are lined with natural stone tiles, adding texture and depth. Soft lighting and minimalist decor ensure a comfortable and functional space for visitors. The home office is designed for productivity and inspiration. A sleek wooden desk, an ergonomic chair, and built-in bookshelves provide a functional workspace. A cozy reading nook, complete with a comfortable armchair and a small side table, offers a perfect escape for quiet moments. Large windows fill the room with natural light and offer a serene river view, making workdays feel more relaxing. The terrace extends towards the river, offering a breathtaking outdoor experience. A spacious wooden deck is furnished with a comfortable outdoor sofa and a sleek coffee table. A pergola adorned with soft ambient lighting provides shade, while glass railings ensure an uninterrupted view of the tranquil waters. Whether for morning coffee or evening relaxation, this space is designed for ultimate serenity. The garage is designed with both style and efficiency in mind. Polished concrete flooring, modern ambient lighting, and a sleek automatic door provide a clean and contemporary look. Built-in storage cabinets, wall-mounted racks for bicycles and outdoor gear, and a functional workbench ensure the space remains organized and practical. The storage room is thoughtfully designed for maximum organization. Built-in shelves, labeled storage boxes, and sleek cabinets make it easy to store and access household essentials. The polished concrete flooring complements the minimalist wooden and white walls, while LED strip lighting ensures clear visibility. A small workbench adds extra functionality to this practical space.